Connecting your filling system is easy. First, you connect the pump to your melting tank. Then you connect your hose to the filling system. Connect the 5-pin plug to the 5-pin, and you connect the 3-pin to the 3-pin. Then you tighten them. So now we're connecting a head. Actually, plug in the unit.